Good morning.
It smells amazing in here.
Thank you. We just brewed a fresh batch of coffee.
Perfect timing then. I really need something to wake me up.
I hear that a lot. What can I get for you today?
What do you recommend?
Well, our cappuccino is very popular. Or, if you like something stronger, you could try an espresso.
Okay. Cappuccino sounds nice. I'll have that, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a little chilly this morning.
Got it. One hot cappuccino. Would you like sugar or syrup with it?
Maybe 1 spoon of sugar. And do you have cinnamon powder?
We do. Would you like a sprinkle on top?
Yes, please. That sounds lovely.
Great. Anything to eat with your coffee?
What pastries do you have today?
Let's see, we have chocolate croissants, blueberry muffins, and banana bread.
Oh wow. That's a tough choice. I think I'll go with the banana bread.
Excellent choice. It's one of my favorites.
Haha, okay, good. Now I feel confident about my order.
You got great taste. So, that's one hot cappuccino with cinnamon and one slice of banana bread.
Yeah, that's right. How much is it?
That'll be $5.50.
Here's 6. Keep the change.
Ah, thank you so much. I'll bring your order to the table in just a moment.
No rush. I'll grab a seat by the window.
Perfect. Best seat in the house. You can watch the street while you sip and enjoy your coffee. Here you go. One cappuccino and banana bread.
This looks so good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your morning.
I will. Oh, by the way, do you guys have Wi-Fi?
Yep. The password is on the table.
Perfect. I might get some work done while I'm here.
Sounds great. Let me know if you need a refill.
Sure. Thank you.